Ahoy me hearties! Welcome to Craft with Pirate Pearl. Today we are making this amazing crab hat. Want to make one with me? You do? I can't wait. Come and join me. So what you'll need to make your amazing crab hat is a bit of coloured card, or you can use white paper, but you will need to colour it in. And you need to draw these shapes. If you get your grown-up to pause the video, they can work out what they need to draw. So we need 2 long strips here, we need 2 smaller strips here, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 strips there. You need your crab claws, and you need to draw 2 round circles on some white paper to make the eyes. Now, you will get your scissors to cut it out. What else you might need for this craft is some glue dots, some pens, and some glitter if you want to make it sparkle. If you're using glitter, you'll need a glue stick as well. So usually I would cut this out. I'm going to place it down and use my Supernova Kids magic. 1, 2, 3. And just like magic, it's all been cut out and laid out nicely for me. Now, what I also did with my magic is I got my 2 long strips and I stuck them together end to end. Today I'm using glue dots, but you could use glue stick or a stapler or some tape. But whatever you do, make sure you get some help from a grown-up. If I'm going a bit fast, you can pause the video and catch up, or even rewind. So I'm going to assemble my crab hat now. So I've got my long bit, and this is the bit that will go round my head when I've made it. And I'm going to stick on my 2 crab claws first. So I've got one here, and it's going to come out the top, and I'm going to stick it there. I've already put on some glue dots, so grown-ups, if you want to make this craft a bit easier for your little creator, you could put the glue dots on to help them. And you just peel it off and stick it on. So I've put them either side of the bit that's going to sit at the front of my head, just like that. And then I got my 2 smaller red strips and stuck on my 2 white circles and drew some pupils on them. The pupils are the black bits on the eye. So I'm gonna pull off the paper and stick it on. But like I said, you could use a glue stick, some tape or a stapler for this. Oh, look at my crab, he's looking so good. And next I'm gonna do the legs. Now, what I'm going to do for the legs is I'm going to make wibbly wobbly legs. So I'm going to fold this like this, the leg in over, and I'm going to fold it the other way. And then I'm going to fold it the other way, and then the other way again until I get to the end. And then when I let go, it made a spring. So I'm going to do that with my other ones. Shall I fast forward? Or shall I click? I'm going to use my fast and forward magic. Ready? Go! And stop! Whoa, that fast forward magic made me get all the legs all wibbly wobbly. And now I'm gonna stick them down here on the bottom bit. That's it. So I'm gonna take off the paper of my glue dot and stick it on. And again. And again. So did you know that crabs have 10 legs including their claws? And they're called a decapod. So I've got 8 legs on this one, and I got its 2 claws, so that makes 10. So mine's a decapod too. Oh look, this is gonna look so amazing, pirates. You're doing such a great job. That's it, and another one, done. And one more leg. Oh, look at his wibbly wobbly legs. Don't they look amazing? They do, they do. So now what's missing? I know, I need to do a super crab smile. So I'm gonna draw a nice big smiley face. Just like that. Oh, doesn't he look so nice? You could do a little design on his pincers. You can do anything you like with your crab. I'm going to give him glitter claws. I'm going to do red glittery claws so he looks crabulous. Almost like the big giant crab from Moana. Have you seen Moana? It's great. Right then, I've put my glue on my crab claws, and next I'm going to get my red glitter. Now for the fun bit, I'm going to pour it on nicely. Wait! I'm going to get my glitter catcher paper. Here it is. This is going to catch my glitter so I don't waste it. So here we go, we pour it onto the claw, make sure we cover all where we put our glue. And then you could decorate yours with stickers, feathers, anything you find in the house really. And now for the best bit, I'm going to turn him round. And we're going to see the glitter fall off. 1, 2, 3! Oh look, and even his little legs caught a little bit of the glitter. Oh, I love him so much. I'm going to call him Krabby, my crabulous crab hat. So the last bit I'm going to do is fit it to my head. So we're going to wind it round like this. Okay, so that's going to fit perfect. So I'm going to do it with glue dots because they will hold really well. But you could do it with a stapler, a glue stick. You need to wait for it to dry. Or you could do it with some sellotape. Right then, I'm going to join it round end to end. And that is how you make this crabulous crab hat, Mr. Krabby. And you could use it in a game where you get to chase your friends around the house playing crab tag. Or could you make a cave and make crab claw caves out of pillows and blankets? I think that's what I'm going to go do now with Pirate Patch. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to see more craft times with Pirate Pearl. Goodbye.